So what if I told you there are cruise hacks out there that are so hidden yet so powerful? They're not on your ship map, they're not on YouTube, and they're not even in your Facebook cruise group. But they are inside ChatGPT if you know exactly how to ask, or you follow us here at the Adventure Buddies. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 7 jaw-dropping cruise prompts that unlock secret perks, save you hundreds, and make you cruise like an insider. So make sure to stick around because I'm saving a bonus crisis prompt for the end that turns ChatGPT into your personal fixer when things go wrong. So this isn't about packing lists, it's not about weather reports. This is cruise God mode. Let's go ahead and get into it. Cue that intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So this is our second episode in our ChatGPT travel series where we show you how to use AI to completely upgrade your travel experience. So in the first video, we taught you how to perfectly structure a travel prompt. We call it the RTCT method. Role, who ChatGPT should act like, task, what do you need it to do, context, your specific situation, and then tone, how do you want the ChatGPT to reply back and how you want it to sound. And so if you're brand new to ChatGPT or you want the full travel prompt masterclass, click the link above here for that particular video. But today we're putting that method to work on 2 recent cruises, the Norwegian Joy and Carnival Radiance. These prompts were tested in real time and we were blown away with the results we got. Let's go ahead and get into the first one. Prompt number 1, hidden perks decoder. Let's go ahead and get into this first prompt. So act like a senior cruise staff member. Tell me 7 free or hidden perks that I can access on insert your particular cruise ship that most first-time cruisers miss, including menu hacks, VIP access times, and how to ask for them. So we tested this on Carnival Radiance and we got insider info too. Free brunch, upgraded room service, free secret dessert menus just by asking. And again, these are the kind of perks that aren't listed anywhere, but ChatGPT knew how to find them. And so if you've already learned something in this video, do me a favor, smash that like button because that's gonna help us get this video out to more travelers just like you. So without further ado, let's hop into prompt number 2. So let's go ahead and get into prompt number 2, the cancellation negotiator. So let's talk about cancellation. So here's a real life situation we're currently running into. We've got an upcoming trip to Alaska on a cruise. Our son came to us and said, hey, my high school preseason football practice got moved up a week and I need to be there and I can't go. And so we unfortunately got non-refundable tickets, so we're not sure how to get it back. But instead of us worrying about it or Googling about it, let's bring it up to ChatGPT and see what it can figure out for us. So here's a prompt that we use to go after some refund. And so let's get into that prompt now. So I need you to act like a refund travel agent specialist, particularly experienced in working with cruises. I need to cancel one traveler's non-refundable fare. What are the techniques I can use to make sure I recoup any sort of fees, get future credits, etc., knowing that it is non-refundable? Can I get the port fees back? Can I get future credits to use on future cruises? Help me figure out what to say, who to speak to, and how to go about this scenario. And so in this particular one, we were amazed at what options we had at our disposal. And so we were able to actually get some future credits for Jake because we like the cruise and we're going to use them anyways for an upcoming cruise at our choosing. But we also got our port fees back. So with each individual person that goes on a cruise, you're charged fees for each port that you go to. So because he's not going there, they were able to get that back for us. So without us asking, we would have just ate some of those fees. So let me ask you this, guys. Have you ever had to cancel a trip last minute? Drop us a comment and tell us what happened, or save this prompt in case you ever need it. Now let's get into prompt number 3, rebooking onboard. So this next one is a pro tip. Most people walk off the ship after the cruise and go home, but the savvy travelers, well, they actually rebook their next cruise while they're still on board, and this allows them to unlock secret perks. And so on the Norwegian Joy, we actually were able to rebook and score onboard credit just by knowing what to ask. So let's get into that particular prompt now. Act like a cruise retention specialist. I want to rebook onboard. Write me a script to ask for reduced deposits, cabin upgrades, and onboard credits. And tell me when and who to talk to for the best result. A pro tip here, go to the future cruise desk early because timing actually matters. And so again, as we mentioned, we use this on our recent trip on the Norwegian Joy. If you want that full review, click the link above here. So next we're gonna do prompt number 4, spa and service deal hunters. And this is one that a lot of people miss. So you don't have to pay full price for spa treatments, laundry, or even Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and get into that prompt. So act like a spa manager in a loyalty rep. What are 5 ways to get spa services, laundry, or room perks for free or discounted without booking ahead, including timing tricks and staff request secrets? So here on the Carnival Radiance, this saved us almost $40 on a massage. No coupons, just timing. Now let's get into prompt number 5, the room upgrade. So let's talk about room upgrade. So you don't need to be a diamond level royalty to ask for a room upgrade, but ChatGPT gave us a message to send before the cruise, polite, confident, and full of charm. Let's get into that. Next prompt, act like a cruise loyalty supervisor. Write a charming message I can send before sailing to request a free or discounted room upgrade using occasion, loyalty, or celebration tone without sounding entitled. So again, we use this on Joy and got upgraded to a quieter cabin location for free. So it wasn't an upgrade in room, but an upgrade in a better layout scenario. So next, let's go into prompt number 6. And this is how you plan your first day like a VIP. So your first day sets the tone for the entire cruise, and most people waste this day by waiting in line or just hanging out in the room or just not being very efficient at all. So this prompt is just for you. So act like a cruise director on a particular cruise ship that you're on. Map out my first 6 hours on board to avoid crowds, grab reservations, and find secret chill spots before the rush hits. So we use this on Radiance and had the smoothest first day ever. We were able to breeze through everything to make sure we had the reservations, we got on board as soon as possible, and we did all the rides and key amenities before the crowds hit. Now prompt number 7, and so this is for if you have that rainy day here at port and you just need a plan to pivot. So again, cruise ports are weather sensitive, and if it rains, a lot of people just stay in their cabins, but not you, because you've got this prompt. So let's get into this prompt now. Act like a shore excursions manager. My port stop in, insert your city, is rained out. Suggest indoor activities, on-ship fun, and creative backup plans for kids or teens that still feel adventurous. And so we use this here in Ensenada when the weather turned out to be not as great, and we were able to pivot and we were able to find something really cool to do. So again, ChatGPT was giving us things like scavenger hunts or making sure that we had the correct itineraries or unique things to do here on board. So if you do get rained out, don't worry, try using this prompt. And like I promised here at the end, thank you for staying all the way to the end, is a bonus prompt. And while you're at it, make sure you smash that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures. And so this bonus prompt is all about managing different crises that can come your way when being on a cruise. So we call this the crisis concierge. And so let's get into that particular prompt. And so you can use this prompt when you're in trouble and you need help now. So let's get into that prompt. Act like a senior guest service manager and travel problem solver. I'm facing this issue now. Insert the real life problem you're experiencing. Give me 3 strategic solutions, including who to talk to, what to say, and any backup options I haven't considered. And so this is for the moment you're stuck. You lost your passport, you're missing a port, a sick kid. This prompt turns ChatGPT into your personal fixer. And so on the Norwegian Joy, we lost our dinner reservations, and we use this prompt specifically to get a new one and actually get upgrades on drinks and meals. And we were actually blown away at how effective this worked. And so normally we would freak out and just be in a stressed out, chaotic crisis mode, but we calmed down, put this prompt into ChatGPT, and problem solved. So make sure you check this prompt out next time you're in trouble. So similar to our first video in this travel ChatGPT series, click the link above here if you haven't seen that video. We want to make sure that we're not giving you these generic prompts, because again, it's all about the prompt, and the prompt that you feed ChatGPT, and the more specificity, the more details, the more descriptive you are on the role that you want ChatGPT to follow, the better the results are going to be. And because of that, you're going to be able to unlock travel perks, discounts, and just become a better, more savvy, stress-free traveler like us. And so we certainly enjoyed using these prompts and putting these to the test. If you have a scenario where you want us to write out or build a prompt for you, drop that down in the comments. And while you're at it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures, and remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?